Very good morning traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. So we have given the previous version also for the selected customers because they are very much comfortable with the previous version, and we also modified the new version along with the previous version so that the new customers will have all the features whatever the previous version had. So now let me show you how to start using our MST iCore 2.0. It is very simple, only 3 to 4 steps are there. The first step, you have to open one free TradingView account. Okay, that TradingView account you can use just by using your email ID and mobile number. Mobile number is optional. Secondly, you have to subscribe to our MST iCore 2.0 indicator. This is the second thing. Third one, after subscription of the indicator and creating a TradingView ID, you will be getting a username for your TradingView account. That username you have to share with us. After sharing the username, we will be giving access to your ID, your username ID. After that, you have to open the TradingView chart platform and come here. Here it is mentioned as indicators, metrics, strategies. You have to click here. See, I have kept the cursor here. After once you click here, automatically you will be getting all these options like favorites, my scripts, technicals, financial, community scripts, invite only scripts and all. So under the invite only scripts mode, your subscribed indicator will be available. That is our MST iCore 2.0 indicator. You have to click only once on it. Once you have clicked on it, automatically that indicator will be added to your chart. See, it will be coming like this. That's all. So now how to start trading the market using this indicator? It is very simple. Why it is very simple? Because we are following only 5-line strategy. What is that 5-line strategy? Once the market has opened, we will be getting two supply line and 2 demand line and 1 midpoint. If the market has reached directly to the demand zone, from there we will be buying, and if the market has reached directly to the supply zone, from there we will be selling. Very simple. If SL hit, we will go for the reversal entry. No other settings we are going to use for the default traders. Very simple trade. If you have some knowledge of price action, then you can avoid certain losses. How? Look at the previous day trade. In the previous day trade, market has opened. It has not reached either the supply zone or the bottom zone. The top zone we call it a supply zone, and the bottom zone are called as the demand zone. When the market is approaching towards the demand zone, if we find any Bahubali candles here, okay, what we call it Bahubali candles, the candles are having small wick and big sized body size. Right side, if you are coming towards the demand side, now we have to avoid the buy entry. Only when the market is coming out of the zone, then we have to go for the buy entry. For example, here it is approaching the demand zone. We should not go for the buy entry immediately. Instead, we should wait for the market to reverse to go above our buy zone. So in such cases, we can avoid the loss. So now yesterday market has not reversed from here, but it has broken our second sell entry also. So now what we have to do? We have to go for the second sell only. That is for the previous day example I am telling. Previous day example. See here exactly it has broken and we have got the targets. That is for the previous day. So like that we can give example of all the days. So once again I will go. We'll open this and you can see everything. So now what happened yesterday? That is on Friday, 22nd February 2023. And I cannot explain all the content in a single video because it will take more time for the recordings. So that is why I will give small example in a small videos. So now, I will show you what are the features available. I have separately added now intraday bullish and bearish because most of the traders were very much comfortable for that options. I have also added the breakout strategy, time session breakout, that you can use. I have also added CPR. Just if you click one button, automatically your CPR will be added. Also I have given session high, low, close and all, and bottom, top, P trend, I trend also I have added, and dynamic zone targets also I have added. And here if you see the wonderful thing, I have added moving average as well as super trend also I have added. So due to the constraint of the space in the Pine script, so I have made all the complicated program into single program. Okay, so now in a single moving average you can use simple moving average or EMA, exponential moving average, Hull moving average, VWAP, trend line, 0 lag moving average, trend signal which we are given in the MST iTrend, as well as super trend also you can use in the same platform. Also we have given the summary table. If you want, you can use it for the reference. Okay, so all these are available now. Whichever you want, that you can use. This super trend can be used only for identify trend based signal. Trend based, if you are comfortable with the super trend, you can change the different multiplier and the length of the super trend calculation, and you can trade accordingly. Now without using any method, only with a naked strategy, how can we use our indicator? That is the question. So now I am going to replay the market. So assume that market has just opened now. It's 9 o'clock on 22nd September 2023. I have kept in 1 time speed. So market has just opened, and immediately once market has opened, our buy zone and sell zone got formed. Now we have to wait for the entry. If the market is coming down to 44,600 range, then we will be taking 44,400 call option. Why? In ITM only the movement will be almost similar to the spot price. If you are going for ATM, 0.75 percentage will be same. If you are going to 0.5 will be there in the ATM. If you are going to OTM, it will be very lesser than the spot price movement. So that is why always, if you cannot be a short seller, you have to be a ITM buyer. So whenever you are going for ITM buyer, you will not face that much loss. The premium also will be higher, and you will be taking the limited lots, and you will be getting quick profit. Okay, so now you can see market has touched only the buy zone. Now we are not going to do any other analysis. Simply when the market is coming down to this range, we are going to buy. If the market is coming to the SL point, we are going to sell. That's all. No other things. Now since market has touched our buy zone, now we have taken 44,400 call option buy at market price. Okay. Now once buy or sell is activated, go to the settings of the indicator and select buy targets. If buy activated, there is no sell. If sell activated, there is no buy. If first buy SL hit, go for the second sell. Okay. If both the side SL hit, then close the trade for the day and wait for the next day trade or next market type trade. Okay. So now what I have done, since buy I have activated, I have enabled the buy targets, and also I have enabled the second sell targets. Why? If buy SL hit, I have to go for the second sell for recovering the loss. So now I have kept in default stop loss and target, but I prefer to keep tiny 2 stop loss because we have to give small loss in the market and we have to get more profit from the market. So tiny 2 stop loss and tiny 2 target. If you want, you can extend the targets also. So that is not an issue. So here I have given the option to extending the targets. Where I have given here in the MZR zone, you can see first buy target 4, and here you can see first sell, second sell target 5, like that you can enable, right? So all the options you have given, whichever you want you can use depending on the situation. So now since buy activated, we are going to wait for the target. So let us see what has happened actually. Immediately our first target hit, second target hit, third target hit, that's all. Again market has boosted up. So now how can we understand that market will go up only, or market will not come down? How long we can hold the profit? The thing is, it is very simple. Look at the previous candles. All the candles are very giant candle, right? It is having high buy pressure. So that is the one indication that market is going to upper side. And another one, look at the banks, all the banks. If HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, IndusInd Bank all are in green, don't go for the sell entry. If all are in red, don't go for the buy entry. If it is mixed, okay, then both the side movement will be there. So that is how you can analyze. So now I have enabled the super trend to know where to exit. See here, the super trend has given a signal only after reaching our fourth target. But our entry we have got at the extreme low level, we have got the entry. So to know the super trend at the earlier stage, what you can do, you can go for the 1 minute time frame or 30 seconds time frame, so that it will show you immediate entry. So the super trend is not to be used in along with our indicator. Only for identifying the trend we can use the super trend, okay? But all the available indicators in the market are lagging indicators. So once the market has given the most of the targets only, it will show you the buy or sell signal like super trend has shown you. But our tool, it is showing you well in advance, extreme low, it is showing the buy entry. No other indicator in the world it will show you that you have to buy here, you have to sell here. So that is how our indicator is performing well. So here also I have to add the DBP and DTP. Okay, here it is missing. So I will add today. So now you see all the 6 targets have been achieved. So this is how we have to trade. And one important tips I have told you, when the market is coming down with a giant candle, what you can do, there are 2 to 3 methods available. The first method is just to extending the buy zone, just by using the Heikinhashi calculation. Okay, so now what we will get? We will get the entry a little down. So now we have to wait for one R3C pattern. A candle should close above the zone and high of the candle should be broken, and next candle should be a green candle. So this is our condition. See here, perfectly you have got entry and all the targets perfectly hit. So this is the very simplest method that you can follow to make money. But this method also having some issues, because no method is holy grail. So that is why if you are following this, you will be in a profitable trade of 87.6%. See, it has gone up and it has come down to the same place where it is started. Starting point to ending point. See, though the market was very volatile, see the performance of our indicator. Perfectly it has taken the starting point to ending point. So this is why we say point to point traveling, right? So if you are interested, and if you are not interested also, while you are watching the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, give your likes and valuable comments. And if you are giving any suggestions to improve our tool, we will be taking into consideration, and we will appreciate you. The most suggestion preferred are how to avoid the loss entry using our tool. Suppose if you are already using our tool and you have found any method that sir, I have found this method, that if you are using so and so method, then you will be getting more profitable trades using your indicator. If you say like that, and if it is proved, then we will be giving you incentive. Okay, we will be giving you incentive that you can use it for your trading capital. So hope it is clear. Thank you all for watching our videos. If you have any doubts, please ask us. We will be happy to help you. Don't think that I'm showing only Bank Nifty. Because of the time constraint, I'm showing only one script. It doesn't mean that all other scripts are in loss. Okay, you take any script and check, you will be in a profitable trade only. Hope it is clear. Any doubts, please call us on the given number, and to clear your doubts, please send your queries in the WhatsApp text message only. And if required, we will be calling you back and explaining you everything about your doubts.